Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Okay, time to wash the dishes. Alright. What was that? Greetings. You must stay in a small space. There is a purge happening. A purge? We haven't had one of those in so many years. Oh no. Gotta turn all my lights off. Gotta turn off all the lights. Alright, gotta get in the closet. Alright guys, I'll see you. I'll update you soon. Alright guys, it's been 8 months since the purges started, and I just want to get out of here. I still have my phone, so I'm not bored. But I've been in these clothes for about 8 months. I'm thinking about changing, but I am so bored. I can't do anything. I just want to get out of here and see my house again. I've been sleeping on hardwood floors for 8 whole months. I'll update you guys soon. Alright guys, I'm back. It's been about a year since the purchase started. It's January of 2022. And I just want to get out of here. I miss being in the daylight. We're all of Bloxburg is quarantined. I'll update you guys soon. Alright guys, it's now December of 2022, and I just really want to get out of here. I miss the daylight. It's about to be 2023, and the purchase lasted almost 2 whole years. It started in 2021, all the way here to 2022 of December. And I just really want to get out of here. I really hope that the purge ends soon. Alright guys, it's March now and I am hungry as heck. And I just want to get out there. I can't though. I want to see my house again. I've been stuck in this closet for almost 2 entire years. It's now March of 2023. They say this purge will probably end in 2024, but I'm not sure. Or in May. In about 2 months, the purge may end. Guys, it's May, and the purge has stopped. You know what that means? I can finally get out and see my house again. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad. Yay. Let's turn on all the lights. I miss this place. I don't know how it's not filled with spider webs. But the purge is finally over. It's been about couple of years since it started. And oh my gosh, it is so good to see my house again. I'm getting out into the daylight. Ah, the daylight. My neighbor, oh my god, I miss them. Hopefully they're going to get out of there soon. But the purge is finally over. We can finally go back to our normal lives. So, oh my god, the spaghetti from 2 years ago that I made literally 2 years ago, I left it there. Oh my gosh. That spaghetti is, I'm gonna check if it's how it is. It's stale. And when I mean stale, and when I say stale, I mean it. It is stale. Oh, my plate. Ooh, it's dusty. But guys, we are back back to our normal lives. Bloxburg was quarantined for about 2 years. I'm so glad that this purge is over. Yeah, guys. Bye.